Is your iPhone acting up? Are you experiencing unexpected glitches or security concerns? You might want to consider updating to iOS 17.6.1. In this video, we'll dive into why this update is crucial for your iPhone's health and security. One of the biggest reasons to update is to fix a critical issue with advanced data protection. This feature is a game changer when it comes to protecting your sensitive data. But if you were unable to enable or disable it, iOS 17.6.1 is the solution. Updating to iOS 17.6.1 is a simple process. Just go to Settings, General, Software Update, and download the update. Once installed, you should be able to seamlessly enable or disable advanced data protection. Let's quickly recap why advanced data protection is so important. It adds an extra layer of encryption to your data, making it virtually impossible for even Apple to access. This includes messages, photos, notes, and more. While the primary focus of iOS 17.6.1 is to fix the advanced data protection issue, there's a possibility of other improvements. Some users have reported better battery life and performance after the update. So, if you're facing issues with advanced data protection or simply want to enhance your iPhone's security and performance, don't hesitate to update to iOS 17.6.1. It's a small step for you, but a giant leap for your iPhone's safety. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks.